everyone, welcome back or just welcome. I got to pick out 3 gel polishes and their glitters, so I can't wait to show you guys the colors that I picked from their newest collection. I'm pretty sure you're seeing them everywhere. They did not come to disappoint. Let's check these names out. They are glitters and they're 3 colors. I have a green, a red, and a blue. These are cat eye polishes, so I can't wait for you guys to get a look at that. Starting with the green one, we have Jade Dream, which is chef's kiss because the green definitely gives off a jade. And I can't wait to see how the cat eye looks all together. The next one we have is the red one, and this one is called Ruby Madness. I love it. I love it. The next one is blue, which is really pretty already from the top of the bottle. It is called Sapphire Love. Let's watch these. Let's look at them because, like I always say, you don't know what they look like until you swatch. So we're jumping right into the swatching of these 3 colors. And I do have just a few magnets here. I'm waiting on other ones to come. I don't know what's up with Amazon lately, but they be like, oh, we're going to deliver it in a day, whatever. They did mention these are cat eye gel polishes. Look how pretty that green is. Very pretty. Y'all are seeing this and how smoothly it just goes on. I freaking love a green. You can't go wrong with me with a green, and this is gorgeous. Okay, let's get the magnet, and we're gonna go ahead and mess around with ooh, do you guys see that? That cat eye polish is so pretty. It is very pretty. So the next one we can swatch, it's going to be this pretty red. And oh, that is pretty. That is super gorgeous. Like super gorgeous. It reminds me of a night on a town. So let's go ahead and do the cat on this one. Ooh, let's do that again. Ooh. Now that is what I call a cat eye gel polish. I love when they work, because some of them you can tell they're not working. This came out really gorgeous. Really gorgeous. And it's not like a running consistency for it to be cat eye. I noticed with cat eye, sometimes it's either really thick or runny. Their consistency with their gel polishes are like A1. They self-level. You don't really have to do much, especially as a beginner, which is really good. And I'm pretty sure this is going to be cute. It gives me Y2K vibes. If you watch Taina. Y'all had to be there, okay? If you know this show, drop something below to let me know you know the show. Drop some blue hearts, because it had me and my sisters in a chokehold. You know what I'm talking about with this blue, because 3LW was on there and they was all wearing this like blue. Anyways, that's what it reminds me of. It's a very pretty like ocean blue. Very gorgeous. I love a good soft blue, but it's almost dark. Like if you do probably more than one coat, it'd be like a darker blue, but it's not a baby soft blue, not like a powder blue, but like a sky blue or ocean blue. It's a very pretty like blue, and it's giving me very much like when I was younger vibes, and I thought I was that girl. That girl. That's what it's giving me. Like it's that girl. I bet it definitely reminded me of that episode. So, like, anyways, let's go ahead and get it to cat eye with the magnet. I want to do, let's do some push up. I have no idea what they be looking like when you do stuff. Ooh. I was just messing around. I have no idea like different ways you can do cat eye. I can't wait till the things come where I can do hearts and like zigzags and stuff. So I can't wait. I don't know how to do none of that with just like a regular magnet, but that still came out gorgeous. So I can't be mad. Let's go ahead and plop it into the light. And then I'll take out the other ones that I did do. And we can look at those. They are dry. Very gorgeous, right? Very pretty. I love the colors.